Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2.
Ow!
What did you do?
I slipped.
This isn't going to be that's probably the gals. This isn't going to be an everyday thing, but we're just going with it. It's December 1st. That was a noise. It's finally Christmas. There's only, I'm just blocking you out. There's only 24 days to go. How exciting. Got the new hat on that I got in Primark yesterday. Christmas jumper situation. That's a vibe. Lee, where's yours?
At home.
She didn't get the memo. We've spent the morning chilling, listening to Christmas music, and now we're gonna go out and get some ingredients to bake our very first ever pie. No, our second ever. Second ever pie. We made one before back in June, which was a summer fruits pie, and now we're gonna try and make pumpkin pie.
I've never had pumpkin pie in my life.
I've also never had pumpkin pie in my life. I've never made it, never had it. We have no idea what to expect, but we've got fingers crossed. Also, I can't have egg, she can't have dairy, so it's a fun time.
We love dietary requirements in our 20s.
Woo! It's the best. I found out. We're making it work. Gonna bring you along. Oh, my advent calendar. Okay, so every year my mum gets all of us these advent calendars, but I feel like I can't open it with you.
You can open it. I'll have mine when I get home. Okay. I've got a Cadbury's one.
But yeah, if you don't have an advent calendar, get one. It's not too late. Just eat the rest. Candle is going. This is the best one ever. And we're off to the shops. Woo. Sadly, we have to blow her out though because safety begins with me. Polar Express soundtrack slaps.
It's hot, hot, hot.
Literally everywhere we go at the moment is Frozen 2 and I'm not mad. I love the napkins, I love the plate. Do you want to just 8 of them at home? Activity fun bag. Bath tints. Gosh, this is a lot to handle. I approve this message. This is what we came for. So we're currently waiting across the street for rope drop at Iceland.
It's a big day.
10:59, the shop opens at 11, we'll be there, storming our way through. That's the attraction we've got our eyes on, Jumbo Olaf. Hope we get there in time. We're heading in. Go, go, go! Just proving that Frozen really is everywhere. We have Olaf-shaped carrot nose in French fries, which don't seem any different. Olaf potato shaped. Enchanted bread and chicken. They just, oh gosh. That's the stuff of nightmares right there. And that's the best picture they could get as well. That's like not the actual, that's like the one for the press. Back. Took a bit of an interlude from when we went to get the ingredients. Went to about 6-7 different shops to try and find cinnamon. Who knew it was so hard? But we have all the ingredients. We went to Greenwich Market. There were some little clips thrown in there of us getting our lunch. I had an amazing vegan raclette. Is that what it's called? No, that's cheese. It was like a savoury crate. I can't remember what it's called. And Lee had...
I had a pulled pork wrap.
Everything was 10. Ooh. Everything was 10 out of 10. And now it's finally time to make a pie. 2 girls, never had pumpkin pie, gonna try and make a pumpkin pie. Something that's gonna make it more exciting and more on brand, you could say. I bought this way back in October and I've been waiting to use it until now. Look, it's a Disney Christmas pie dish. I think this is like my 3 favourite things in life. It's got Mickeys around the edge. It matches my bedding as well.
Oh yeah!
This is just all such a good time. Let's get started. All the ingredients, we have the sugar, butter.
Don't say we've not got butter.
We don't need butter for the recipe. What the heck?
It's vegan, plus it's a vegan recipe.
So we have sugar, flour. Not quite the same ring to it. Can you imagine? Sugar,
Flour.
sugar, flour, sugar, flour. The pie is doomed. You okay? Do the whole waitress without saying butter.
I need a minute.
Okay. Leah's left the bit. Hello, we're back. I feel like now is the time I've been waiting for. This is me living out my waitress dreams.
Gosh.
Put it out on the. Oh, I am Jenna. Here is our pre-made pastry. Don't judge us. So we did. Oh wait, this is what she does in the show. Let's make a new one, Mama. What do you say? We need to take a name for this. Pretty please subscribe pumpkin pie. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. And then we can start on the actual pumpkin bit. We have a bowl. I didn't have a bowl before today. 1.2 kilograms of pumpkin apparently. And I went to 4 or 5 different supermarkets to find this delicacy because in the UK that's not a thing. I hope people appreciate the effort. I don't know how to open cans.
You don't have to open cans?
No. It looks interesting. Don't know, you know, thoughts are being had. It smells nice though. All the orangeness that can be had. You now need 100 milliliters of maple syrup. How do you measure out? Pie's ready. Oh gosh, this is gooey. There we go. Looking lush.
That was a lot of maple syrup. What? Stripped to my knee.
This is interesting. Okay, now we need 200 grams of sugar.
It's going to be a sweet pie.
Keep coming, girl, we're not playing. We're at 100. This is a lot of sugar. What do you Americans do?
I'm baffled.
You'd like take a vegetable and then just
Dose it in sugar,
add
maple
so
syrup.
much. This is amazing. No wonder I was so happy when I was
Yeah, I know.
You need 4 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons and a partridge in it. You can do the corn flour.
Oh, thanks.
600 milliliters of milk.
How is
That's
this
a
all
lot.
going to fit in?
It's not like.
I'm going to go 200 at a time.
Yeah. Oh, it was looking promising before the milk. Yeah, I'm saying no more milk.
Mm-hmm.
And now we just need seasoning. This is going great, guys. Is this normal? Is 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, but we're going to do 4 because we couldn't find the nutmeg. Okay, guys, this is the moment of truth. The part's a bit sad. Whatever, the pastry
This
taste.
smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
I've just got a whiff of it and it smells really rather good.
So we're going to load it up as much as we can. It looks like there's too much. Let's see.
Actually, it might not be too.
It should be filled almost to the top. Yeah, it looks like it's pretty much filled. So we've got this one and it's going in the oven for 30 minutes. We would like something that's edible at the end.
That's literally it.
We're gonna go start watching Home Alone. See you in 30 minutes. Pray for us.
It's going in.
In you go, my lovely. Be good.
Ooh.
Boom. And then it's gonna be the new pie.
Here it is. Feeling firm to the touch?
It's coming away at the edges, I think it's done. Now we just have to wait 20 minutes for it to cool.
Love that.
I'm optimistic. So the pie is out of the oven and
I think it looks
yeah.
good.
Do you wanna cut into it? No.
You do it.
The first one is always the hardest. It's gonna fall apart, isn't it?
Oh, of course it is.
Oh, we have pie. Okay, the second piece will be better.
It smells amazing.
She's not looking the best, but it's all in the tasting, you know? Okay, are we ready? Let's go in. Get some of the crust, get some of the pie.
That is good.
Oh, it tastes really good. It's an absolute mess.
This is one of my 5 a day.
A lot of pumpkin in there.
This is good.
Tastes so autumnal. I can see why Americans are obsessed.
Wow.
Smashed it. She is messy, but she's kind.
Yes. That tastes so good.
Success.
I'm so proud of her. It's all held
I
together
feel like
though.
if we put it in the fridge, it'll firm up.
Ignore the first
Yeah,
piece.
ignore first. Once we get in there, that's good. Okay, this is all we have time for. We're gonna go enjoy the rest of Home Alone. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching 2 British girls try and make American pie. Subscribe for more joy and love and
Peace, love and power.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.